But once you have your conveyor all assembled, you'll see that the tension screws here are at the very end, and you go ahead and put the belt tensioner on, and you're going to hand tighten, as you can see here, and you're going to want it about as tight in this case, because these are extended length units. You're going to want it about as tight as you can comfortably do it with your hands. But you're also going to turn the conveyor unit on, and you're going to check the tracking. And as this belt sits right here, you can see that it's not hitting the side rail here or here, and that'll be true on both ends of the conveyor unit. And now the belt's moving. If it requires any tracking adjustment, while these screws are still loose, you're going to loosen or tighten one side or another, and you'll see when you tighten this side it pulls it and it'll track the belt that direction, and vice versa, or you can loosen them in whatever the case is. Once you get the belt as tight as you need it for this initial tracking, you're going to tighten these screws quite tightly by hand, because you don't want that to slip. You're going to do the same on the other side. And we suggest you let the conveyor run for about 30 minutes. Come back and check the tension. You will notice on the drive end, it shouldn't slip in operation. If you put pressure on it, there should be no slipping, as it is right now. This particular belt material that you're using tends to have a little bit of stretch when it warms up. So if you check it in 30 minutes, make the additional adjustments that you need to do using the same process, tightening and adjusting as needed. You want to make sure it tracks the same on both ends. That is, it's not hitting the side rails on either ends as it rounds the corner. Then that should give you proper tracking. If you come back 30 minutes after that second adjustment, and you should find that it's as tight as it's supposed to be and tracking properly. If you do need to do more adjustments, then do so until it reaches that point, but we'd expect that it should be done by then. You shouldn't need to do any more adjusting or tracking for quite a while. It should get many hours of running time.